Do you ever wonder, what does a vegan snack on?
Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio.
Well, it's probably not cheese and potato pie or anything else. It's probably something that's like maybe hummus.
I got in these plastic bags because these bags are so flimsy they rip all the time. And I don't like my chips stale. Not that they last that long, but these are delicious. So these Stacy's Pita Chips, simply naked, nothing but sea salt, oh well, are baked. They're made with real pita bread. There's no artificial color. This is the color they look like, and there's no MSG. I didn't see any of this stuff when I bought the bag. It's got all kinds of stuff in the back, you know, it tells you chip check, what it's all about, and how many carbs and all that junk. And I don't look at any of that stuff. What I look at is, what does it taste like? Look like this. I open up my delicious, in this case, it's roasted red pepper hummus. As you can tell, I'm going through this pretty fast. And to me, it just tastes wonderful and it's delicious. And I want a snack. I want a healthy snack. I want a vegan snack. And this is what I'm looking for. Thank you for watching.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.